Squad, welcome back. Today I'm going to be opening this brand new toy called ReCyclings. Basically what they do is they take bottle caps, they recycle them and they make them fantastic. So their little motto is plastic made fantastic. And in this pack it's a 20 bottle caps from landfill and each one of these say 12. Also they're 70% recycled plastic, and if you want to play the game you can scan the QR code. There's lots of different ones. This pack comes with 4 recyclings and a collector's sheet, and they're also pencil toppers. So let's go ahead and start by opening the big pack. Well, that's one way to open a box. So we've got our blind bag, and this can be recycled, like the packaging and everything. So here's our collector's sheet. So here we get these out. So you can see there's a hole in the bottom to put a pencil in. Next. Almost there. There we go. So here's the 3 here's our 3 visible ones. So we're going to see what they are and if they have a rarity or not. Oopsie, I ripped the checklist. But you can get 2 types, 2 faces, and I'll probably I might get another checklist in these, so I'll probably just replace it with this one since I ripped it. And I forgot to mention, the limited edition for this pack is a sparkly / glittery shooting star. So this first one we have is in the Let's Play section, and it is Gamer. And there is a dot, so there's no star or anything, which means it is a common. This octopus is in Under the Sea, and its name's Octopus, and it is also a common. And then this cupcake is in the Sweet Tooth, and it is also common. So now we're going to open this. It's glittery. I got the limited edition for this pack. Oh my god. I'm freaking out. Look, I'm shaking. Oh my god. I'm blown away. That is probably the best look ever to exist on the planet. So, and now we're going to open these. So the limited edition for this one is the Golden Treasure Chest. So let's just open this up. We're going to twist this off. Oh, we got some milk! So let's just move these over a bit. And that milk, let me just grab this new checklist. Hopefully I don't rip this one. I'll be very careful. Okay, so this milk carton is in the shopping trolley. And it has a star, which means it's a rare. So not a bad start. And then I'll just twist this back on. Let's open this pink one next. It's got stuck. It's a hot dog. And that's in the foodies. And it is a common. Last one. This video's gone by really quick. We got a pineapple. This one's in the shopping trolley and it is a common. Well, that's everything I got from these recyclings. I am so blown away that we got the limited edition in our mystery. I mean, that's just crazy. Unfortunately, we didn't get the limited edition in these, but that is fine because we have many more times to go to the shops and buy them and try again. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash like, hit subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!